Welcome, aspiring business mavens. We start off today by focusing on the importance of small businesses. These economic powerhouses are pivotal in generating employment, innovation, and contributing to the local economy in a significant way. Now picture yourself venturing into this dynamic realm, but with an added layer of financial security and flexibility. This is where limited liability companies, or LLCs, come into play. As the captain of such an entity, you stand to gain from its myriad benefits. With liability, your personal assets remain safeguarded, while tax advantages ensure more money stays with you. The adaptability of an LLC operation lets your business evolve and grow. Having established the role of small businesses, shall we now explore how to set up an LLC for your own entrepreneurial journey? The first step in setting up your LLC is deciding on a name. This might seem simple, but it's an essential part of the process. Your company name is the first thing potential customers will see. It's your first impression, your calling card, the cornerstone of your brand. It needs to be unique, relevant, and catchy to stand out in the bustling marketplace. But it's not just about creativity. You also need to ensure your chosen name is available. You wouldn't want to settle on a perfect name, only to find it's already taken, right? There are databases you can check to avoid such disappointment. Now, if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, don't worry. Tailor Brands is here to help. This platform can assist you in creating a unique name that resonates with your business concept and stands out from the crowd. With a unique name in hand, you're one step closer to setting up your LLC. The next step is filing the Articles of Organization. You might be wondering, what are the Articles of Organization? Well, this is a crucial document that officially forms your LLC. Think of it as your business's birth certificate. The Articles of Organization will include essential information about your company. First and foremost, you'll need to provide the name of your business. Remember, this should be a unique name that you've already confirmed is available in your state. Next, you'll need to include the address of your company. This can be a physical street address or a registered agent's address. But bear in mind, a P.O. box won't cut it. You'll need a proper, bona fide address. Then, you'll have to list the names of the owners, also known as members. In an LLC, members are the individuals or entities that have an ownership interest in the company. The Articles of Organization must include the names and addresses of all members. Let's not forget about the filing fee. This is a one-time payment that you'll need to submit along with your Articles of Organization. The amount varies from state to state, so you'll need to check with your local Secretary of State's office to find out the exact amount. Speaking of the Secretary of State's office, this is where you'll file your Articles of Organization. Typically, you can do this by mail, in person, or online. Again, the method depends on your state's specific rules and regulations. Filing the Articles of Organization might seem like a daunting task, but don't worry. It's a straightforward process that simply requires careful attention to detail. And remember, once you've filed your Articles of Organization, you're one step closer to making your business dreams a reality. So to summarize, the Articles of Organization is a document that includes your business name, address, the names of the owners, and a filing fee. You'll submit this document to the Secretary of State's office to officially form your LLC. Filing the Articles of Organization makes your LLC officially recognized by the state, so get ready to take this vital step on your entrepreneurial journey. The next step is creating an operating agreement. This document is the backbone of your LLC, and although not always legally required, it is instrumental in ensuring the smooth operations of your business. The operating agreement is essentially a contract that outlines how your LLC will be run. It's like a blueprint for your business, detailing the structure and the rules that govern your LLC. It's here that you'll define the roles of members, their voting rights, and how profits and losses will be distributed. For instance, you might decide that decision-making is based on majority rule, or you might allocate it differently. Similarly, you can determine how profits are divided. It could be equal shares, or based on the amount each member has invested in the business. But the operating agreement goes beyond just roles and money. It also lays out procedures for handling changes in ownership and resolving disputes. It can even set the groundwork for the potential dissolution of the LLC. Think of the operating agreement as a safety net. It helps prevent misunderstandings by setting clear expectations and responsibilities. It's the document you turn to when you're unsure how to handle a situation in your business. So take your time to craft this document. It might seem tedious, but it's worth the effort. Because at the end of the day, An operating agreement is crucial in ensuring smooth operations within your LLC. Once your LLC is official, you'll need to get an employer identification number or EIN from the IRS. But what is an EIN, you ask? Well, an EIN is like a social security number for your business. It's a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service to businesses operating in the United States. Now, why do you need an EIN? There are a couple of reasons. One, it's necessary for tax purposes. When it comes time to file your business taxes, the IRS will identify your LLC by its EIN. Two, if you plan on hiring employees, you'll need an EIN. So think of it as a crucial piece of your LLC's identity, one that's essential for growth and compliance. So how do you get an EIN? The process is quite straightforward. Head over to the IRS's website. There, you'll find an online EIN application form. Fill it out with your LLC's information. After you've submitted the form, you should receive your EIN immediately. The best part? It's completely free. Remember to keep your EIN safe and accessible. It's a key part of your business's identity, and you'll need it for various transactions and processes as your LLC grows and evolves. With an EIN, your LLC is ready to do business and comply with the IRS. Setting up an LLC isn't the end. You have to keep it compliant too. Now that your LLC is up and running, it's essential to maintain its good standing. How do you do this? It's simple, but it requires diligence and discipline. Firstly, make sure to file your annual reports. These reports provide an up-to-date snapshot of your business, including key financials and changes in management. They're not just a requirement, they're a way for you to keep track of your business's health and progress. Remember, consistency is key here. Annual reports are just that, annual. Make it a point to set reminders for yourself so you don't miss any deadlines. Next, let's talk taxes. Yes, it's that word we all love to hate, but it's a crucial part of keeping your LLC compliant. You're obligated to pay necessary taxes in accordance with your LLC's income, expenses, and statutory requirements. Failure to do so could lead to penalties, fines, or even dissolution of your LLC. So keep a keen eye on your tax obligations. Also, don't forget to renew those business licenses. These licenses give you the legal right to operate your business. When they expire, so does your right to do business, and that's not something we want. Stay ahead of the game by keeping track of all renewal dates and fees associated with your business licenses. Lastly, remember that maintaining good standing isn't a one-person job. It can be challenging, and that's where Taylor Brands comes in. Taylor Brands offers continued support in LLC setup and maintenance, ensuring you stay on top of your obligations and your LLC remains in good standing. In conclusion, keeping your LLC compliant is a continuous process that requires attention to detail and dedication. It's not just about setting up an LLC, it's about maintaining its standing and reaping the benefits that come with it. Keeping compliant ensures your LLC remains in good standing and continues to reap the benefits of its status. So, you see, setting up an LLC for your small business isn't as daunting as it seems. We've covered a lot of ground today, but let's quickly recap to make sure you've got all the steps down. First, you need to decide on a unique and catchy name for your LLC. This name will be the face of your business, so choose wisely. Next, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization, which is essentially your business's birth certificate. This crucial step officially forms your LLC in the eyes of the government. After that, create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your LLC, making sure everyone is on the same page. Then you'll need to secure an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is like a social security number for your business, and you'll need it for tax purposes. Finally, remember to stay compliant. This means filing annual reports and maintaining good standing with the state. These are not just one-time tasks, but ongoing responsibilities that come with running an LLC. Each of these steps might seem small, but together they form the foundation of your LLC. Don't rush through them, take your time, and remember to use resources like Taylor Brands to help you along the way. With these steps, you're well on your way to setting up a successful LLC. Remember, every great business starts with a single step. Your entrepreneurial journey begins now.